Hello, teacher and classmates. There are many exchanges in the city today. For example, in the 190 city, there was a beautiful park. In the sample in this place, there is a house of building on the main attraction of the city to watch the small restaurant with tropical food. These restaurants are not the only in the place. The building and the parking lot. The other did that saying is that she were beautiful small colonial house. They are their harmony. You can see you have apartment building finally. The biggest mistake in the city play was the forest. There were hundreds of trees near park. Now there are factory pretty air. Thank you.